Hi, this is Leah Schaefer on behalf of ExpertVillage. Today we're going to learn how to make a healthy vegetarian Lebanese feast. So now we'll go ahead and wash up a pepper. I picked this red pepper because it has a good shape. It's really long and it's going to work well for slices. We're going to be able to dip these slices into the hummus, and it's just going to make for a really healthy way to enjoy the hummus. So we'll give it a good rinse. Not many places for dirt to hide on a pepper, so it won't take quite as long. Okay. And now we'll chop it up. First way I chop a pepper is right here. Chop off the stem, and that kind of gives it feet. It's also going to make it really easy in there to reach in and get the rib out. Okay. Now it has feet, you can actually stand it up and slice it right down the middle. Slice it in half, and half again, and you can just use these natural lines as a guide. And from there, it's going to be really easy to make nice long slices. Make sure you make them thick enough to really scoop up the hummus. And if there's a lot of rib, you can just go ahead and pull it off. Okay. And we'll do the same thing for this piece. We should get about 12 good slices, and these are going to be plenty big to get a couple dips. Okay. Again, pull off the rib. Looks good. And one last one. And here are our peppers that we are going to use to scoop up the hummus.